Good morning to me, and how you guys doing? If you guys want to do not one, let's say a couple of good deeds today, I would suggest actually starting out with subscribing to this channel. That will be one good deed you guys can do for me today. So I would really appreciate it if you guys watch my videos. Please subscribe to the channel. It'll help with the development. It'll help with me maybe finding somebody for editing, because I do this all by myself. And it's, it's not easy. It's not easy, guys. But I'm heading to delivery already. I got loaded with tobacco products. It's some kind of chew or whatever it is. The guys that are watching the channel, you guys know what it is. You've seen me deliver this stuff before, so it's the same kind of stuff. And I got up nice and early today, nice and early. At 4 a.m. I woke up. At 4:30 I was already on the road. And I gotta be in Montana by 9. It's 200 miles from my house. So I'm boogieing. I'm gonna make it there as long as everything's gonna go well. As far as, no breakdowns, no accidents, nothing like that. We don't need any of that. God. So it's nice, and look at the weather out here. Beautiful Montana. Ugly window. And got another thing to tell you guys. Today, after I delivered this Missoula load, I actually have to drive to Belgrade, which is another 200 miles. And I'm loading up at 5 p.m. and delivering to Los Angeles area. Yes, going to California, guys. Delivering to LA by Friday morning. Today is what? Wednesday morning. So I have enough time. I'll see how it is. I mean, waking up at 4 a.m. and driving half the night. I gotta at least make it to Salt Lake tonight. If I can make it to Salt Lake, that'll be great. So we shall see how it goes. I mean, I have plenty of time. I'm not gonna risk it. At first it was supposed to be picking up earlier in the afternoon, but then delivering in the morning, on Thursday morning. And then they changed it to the later pickup and then delivering by Friday morning. So it's okay. We'll get it done for them. We're professionals. If you guys didn't know, it says so in my shirt, but down at the bottom when I want to go that way. It says I'm professional. So don't change the channel. Take the ride to California together. It'll be a different video, but it'll be right after this one. So I just wanted to kind of jump ahead a little bit and explain to you guys what's going to be on next one. So if you guys haven't subscribed, please do so. Do a couple of good deeds today. Start with this one by subscribing. Hit the like button if you like the content. Push the bell notification. You guys know what to do. You're not, you're not doing this. You guys know how to do it. So about 50, 60 miles outside of Missoula, I decided to stop by and show you guys some prettiness. Look at that beach. Look at the sand. Almost like that Florida sand. Nice and white. Super pretty. And to the left of this big boulder, you gotta walk a little bit further, but there's a place where There's boulders right in the water that are a lot smaller, where people just jump off of them and, you know, do all their summer activities with. I've always wanted to stop by, but never have. And in the summertime, it's always kind of hurry. Today, I made up some time, so I decided to stop by. Super cool. All right, let's get trucking. That's it. You guys saw the delivery. They have to like mark everything, scan everything, mark it in their thing, how many pieces of what it is and all that. I'm not sure what this stuff is. It's tobacco product, some kind of strips or something for chew, or I don't know, tobacco strips. I don't know what people do with that stuff. So anyways, guys, it's done. It's over with. And this guy, he remembers me from last time. He's asking me, did you rub it in their face last time? Last time, you know, they were telling you you're going to be late. I'm like, I sure did. Well, I didn't, but, you know, I wasn't late, and then, you know, I didn't get a thank you. I didn't get a, oh, good job, or any of that kind of good stuff. But, hey, it's okay. You know, they just must not be dealing with too many professionals. I am a professional. When you deal with a professional, you don't have to ask stupid questions, stupid location updates, or any of that kind of stuff. When a driver's driving, professional driver's driving, he's driving. So that's how it works. That's how it'll be. I got a couple more things to do here, a couple more stops. Got to pick up some parts from the Cadillac dealer, and then take them to my brother-in-law's house. And then after that, I'm heading to Belgrade, which is 200 miles away still. And after that, I'm loading in the evening and driving to Los Angeles from here. So that'll be the next video. If you watch this one, I think it's too short. Next one's going to be a bit longer. You guys are going to enjoy them more. We're going to be going through Salt Lake. We're going to be going through Vegas. I mean, there's some beautiful country driving through Highway 15 coming down to Salt Lake from Belgrade. It's really nice over there. So hopefully you guys will enjoy that. So if you guys like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. And in the next video, the one that's going to LA from Montana, that's going to be a good one too. So catch you guys on that one. God bless.